Alright, here we are in the tunnel again. Now I keep on hearing y'all say hold the brake or something. Are y'all talking about hold the brake on this thing over here? Is that the brake?
You want to turn on the brake so it doesn't fall on me? You want to stop it so it doesn't fall on me?
You say hold the brake. Alright, come on. I've heard a Jacobson, Brownlee, Grant. Is that some of y'all that are down here?
Mr. Sloss, are you down here? We want to know. We want to see you. We heard you. We haven't saw you. Oh, we haven't seen you before. Is that coming in from outside?
Yeah, that's somebody coming down.
Come on, Flag. Are you down here? Is it you?
What year is it to y'all? That's what I want to know. What year is it? Is it the year that we're in right now? Or is it the year that you passed away?
Are you visible down here? I heard in someone else's EVP that you were visible down there. Is that true? Make yourself known to us.
Oh, they fixed this. Did y'all notice that? Isn't this new?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they paved over it, didn't they?
Come on, make a noise for us. Do something. Hit Naomi in the forehead. Or slap her on the back.
I want to see.
Give you the forehead.
I want to see something. Seriously. We hear stuff
I
all
want
the
to try to
time.
take a picture. Can I take my phone?
Yeah, here you go.
I want to take a picture.
Everybody be quiet for just 1 second. I'm trying to. I want to be able to hear the stuff instead of everybody talking. Alright, that should be good enough. Thanks for talking to us.
You did.
We want to try to tell your story.
Now we leave.
Yeah, you want to leave this way? Let's leave this way.